How to edit PDF file in laptop. Hey there, welcome or welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. For this, start off by launching your Word application in your PC or laptop. So right over here, you need to check out the Open all the Documents option. Right from here, click on the Browse option and select on the PDF file. Then tap on the Open button. After this, you will find an interface like this with a notification that Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. Click on OK. After that, you can just go ahead and edit it out. As you can see right here, isn't it simple? So go ahead and check out this feature right now and edit your PDF as much as you wish for.
If this feature is not available for you, make sure that you have the updated version of your MS Word, or you can download the latest version from your Microsoft Store or by searching for MS Word recent version in a browser. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.